Hello po, brothers and sisters. We are here having the hearing program of the Rotary Club of Parañaque Metro South in collaboration with the Our Lady of Peace, COSPI, Commission on Service, and Human Promotion. That's COSPI. Ayan, kakain naman po ng lugaw ang mga parents at mga teachers na nag-assist at mga sisters ng COSPI. So, ayan, I could feel the spirit of brotherhood, spiritual brotherhood. Thank you po.